Hello viewers, Microsoft has spent the last 2 years trying hard to move Windows 10 user to Windows 11. But even after the official end of support for Windows 10 on October 14, many users still refuse to switch, and now a hug number of them are choosing a different path altogether. A large number of Windows 10 devices are working perfectly, but they cannot upgrade to Windows 11 because of Microsoft's strict hardware requirements. This has created frustration among users who do not want to replace their computers just to use Windows 11. Because of this, many people are looking for alternatives outside Windows, and one of the most popular options right now is Zorin OS, a Linux distribution that looks and feels very similar to Windows 10. The users say the workflow is smooth, the design is familiar, and the switch is easier compared to other Linux distros, Linux Mint, and another option. But many believe Zorin OS provides a more Windows-like experience. Zorin recently shared an update on their blog. Zorin OS 18 released on the same day Windows 11 support ended has reached 1 million downloads in just over a month, breaking all previous records. More than 78% of these downloads came from Windows users, clearly showing the impact of Windows 10 end of support. Last month, Zorin OS 18 crossed 8 lakh downloads within just 2 days. Now it has hit 1 million, largely because frustrated Windows 10 users are moving away from Microsoft's strict requirement, privacy concern, and the fast push toward AI-driven features. While Linux is not close to replace Windows on desktops, there is definitely a shift happening. Many users are now willing to explore alternatives, especially when their existing hardware still runs perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.